Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the difference between ordinary or common crimes and political crimes. Let us discuss first ordinary or common crimes. These are crimes that are committed for personal or private reasons. Ito ay mga krimen na ginawa para sa personal o pribadong mga kadahilanan. Halimbawa, sitaktan mo siya kasi ayaw kanyang pagbigyang ligawan siya o sinuntok mo siya dahil sa selos. Like the crime of homicide, pinatay mo siya dahil sa araw-araw na pag-iinsulto niya sa'yo, etc. Ano naman ang political crimes? These are crimes which involve the use of force, violence, terror, fraud, deception, economic pressure, or any other illegal means to create, maintain, or enhance the power, interest, or ideology of a group, organization, or institution to the detriment of or destruction of the other rival groups, often causing fear in and victimization of innocent persons. Ito ay mga krimen na kinasasangkutan ng paggamit ng pwersa, karahasan, terorismo, pandaraya, panlilinglang o anumang iba pang illegal na paraan upang lumikha, mapanatili o mapahusay ang kapangyarihan, interes o ideolohiya ng isang grupo, organisasyon o institusyon na ikakapinsala ng o pagkawasak ng iba pang mga karibal na grupo na kadalasang nagdudulot ng takot at pambibiktima ng mga inosenteng tao. Political crimes are crimes directed against the security of government of a country, such as rebellion, treason, sedition, or espionage. Hindi lang po treason, sedition, or espionage ang pasok sa political crimes. Ang common crimes ay pwede rin maging political crime. Ang homicide ay considered ordinary or common crime. However, kung ang pagpatay ay ginamit mo upang ma-achieve mo ang crime na treason, then itong pagpatay o homicide ay magiging part ng crime na treason, thus mawawala na ito ng character as common crime. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.